Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the CompTIA Security Plus exam. First, you need to thoroughly understand the exam objectives. Download the official exam objectives from the CompTIA website and use them as your roadmap. Next, create a structured study schedule. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to consistent study, focusing on 1 or 2 objectives per session. Finally, utilize official CompTIA study guides and practice questions to reinforce your learning. To succeed, master core security concepts such as cryptography, network security, and identity management. These form the backbone of the exam. Don't just memorize definitions. Focus on the practical application of security principles in real-world scenarios. Understand how different security controls work together. Additionally, review common attack types, like phishing and malware, and their corresponding defense mechanisms. This will help you analyze and respond to security incidents effectively. Practice is crucial for passing. Take multiple practice exams to identify your weak areas and understand the exam format. Don't just look at the score. Review every incorrect answer to understand the underlying concepts you missed. This targeted review is more effective than simply rereading material. Create flashcards for key terms, acronyms, and port numbers. Consistent review of these will solidify your knowledge and boost your confidence before the big day. On exam day, ensure you get adequate rest and arrive early at the testing center. Being well-rested and calm can significantly improve your performance. Read each question carefully, sometimes twice, before selecting an answer. Eliminate obviously wrong choices to increase your odds. After passing, consider continuing your learning journey. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Continuous learning is key in cybersecurity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.